The danger or the risk here is that the clients or you as a client think, oh, well, I'll just do it myself.
If AI makes implementations faster, what becomes the real value we bring as a partner?
There's a real risk that people that don't understand enough about Odoo will end up building modules that create risks for them as a business. Say you wanted a module where your customers could come in and see extra information. You could use AI to build that, but if you don't understand enough about the code that has been developed, then you don't know what security holes you have now introduced that would allow bad actors to come in and attack your system. The value add for us as partners for you as a client is about understanding the way that Odoo works, and therefore the modules are configured and designed in a way that increments standard Odoo functionality. So you're not just building modules because you don't know enough about Odoo to know that it already does it, but also there's a quality assurance around the code that a developer that is experienced in Odoo reviews that code, understands it, makes sure it's fit for purpose, make sure it meets coding standards, make sure it meets security standards, so that you're protected as a business going forward.
How do we responsibly use AI while still protecting client data, quality, and trust?
And that's going to be a very important thing going forward. It meets security standards, it's documented, it's tested properly, and so then it's available then to be migrated to future versions as you go through that migration process. The real risk here, and everyone has heard about AI slop, and the real risk is that people say, oh, I'll just build modules and modules and modules and do everything, and then they end up with an absolute dog's breakfast of a business in terms of their ERP implementation. Don't know what the code base is doing, and their security model can get broken quite easily. So it really does need someone who's considering all of those things very responsibly to make sure that you as a client get not only the right functional result that you want, but that you have the right structure going forward to ensure that your ERP system is fit for purpose, but also manages and controls your business processes in a way that meets your internal control requirements as well.